Hi, this is the review of the Inacteck 4-port USB 3.0 Plus on-the-go hub. The model number is HP4004G. It's designed for basically tablet, ultrabook, tablet, notebook, laptop, and a PC. In the back, a little bit of information. There's features. Some information is compatible with USB 2.0 and 1.0. This voltage protection for overload. It's plug and play and hot swappable. And some instruction, and there's a various country flag. Let's look at the hub itself. On the top you have the Inacteck logo along with 3 USB 3.0 ports here. Nothing on this side, and on this end there's an additional USB port for a total of 4 ports. And on the back there's a little bit of information. The cable is roughly about this long, and on this end you have the connector, USB 2.0 connector, and you also have a little tab that attaches this other on-the-go port. You can put it over here like this to turn this to an on-the-go port for your Android device. As you notice, I have this basically right behind my monitor. The USB hub came with a cable that's roughly about a foot long, and that in general for laptop and stuff that's right in front of you is good. I have to test this on my desktop, so I do not have an extension cable, so that's one of the things I just want to let you know. The cable is slightly short if you want to use for desktop and you want it right in front of you. This is the Western Digital drive that I have currently plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and plug in another device. This is a silicone power USB 3.0. It's a 32 gigabyte. As you can see, my Western Digital drive is plugged in, and also the USB stick is plugged in. Right now I'm going to demonstrate copying a file that is quite large to both the USB flash drive and also the external drive. The file is about 1.7 gigabyte. I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to start with the hard drive first. Copy here. As you can see, the speed is right here. It's getting about 79-80 megabyte per second. I want to pause it for a second. I'm going to go ahead and copy the silicone power the same way to the flash drive. I'm also getting, I'm getting about 30 megabyte per second, and this is the limit of that USB stick drive. Right now I'm going to go ahead and resume both of them. As you can see, with USB 3.0 I'm still getting almost 75 megabyte per second. I lost about 5 megabyte using this hub, and the flash drive I'm down to 27 megabyte, which is about 3 megabyte below before. So as you can see, the drop is not that significant when copying multiple file to multiple devices on the same hub. I want to demonstrate the on-the-go port using my tablet. Currently have Synology, one of the surveilling application, at the login screen. I'm plugging the keyboard into the hub. As you can see, I can start typing, no problem at all. And I'm going to do the same thing with the mouse. I can plug in a mouse. You can see I have a mouse cursor. I can move the mouse cursor around. As you notice, I unplugged the keyboard in order to plug in the mouse. I believe the device do support both of them. However, I don't know, is it Android or with my tablet, but when I plug both of them in, it seemed to have problem. If I plug both of them in, only one of them will work. And the mouse seems to be stuck, and if I unplug one, they're both working. So I think this is, I don't know, it's a limitation of the my tablet has some issues with it, or is it a limitation of the hub? Yeah, this is I had to confirm this. I just want to give you an idea of how this device look and how it functions. Overall, it's a great little product. I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you have any questions, please leave in the comment below, and as always, stay tuned for future review.